Hello, my name is Sarah Terry, and I'm running for the Court of Common Pleas. With respect to the first question about courtroom experience, I'd like the viewers to know that I have been a practicing attorney for the past 13 years. I've handled over 500 cases in both the adult criminal and the civil divisions. Right now, the majority of the cases that I handle are criminal defense cases, and so I represent clients at preliminary hearings, bail hearings, trial, guilty pleas, and at motions hearings. In addition to that, I also handle civil cases, landlord-tenant actions, and some labor law cases. I would estimate that I appear in court anywhere from 2 to 4 times a week. I appear before magisterial district justices as well as Court of Common Pleas judges. In addition to my private practice, I've also served as a judicial law clerk in the family division for the past 12 years. In that role, I've observed over 1,000 cases, and I sat with my judge for nearly every single trial that he's presided over in his career. I currently do the majority of my research and writing for termination of parental rights hearings. Those hearings are very complex and they span anywhere from 1 to 4 days. I typically will sit with the judge for those types of hearings. And in my role as a law clerk, I would sit with the judge anywhere from 1 to 3 days a week. With respect to the second question about alternative sentencing options, it's my position that I would use a mix of sentencing alternatives if I were placed in the adult criminal division. I believe that incarceration is an absolute last resort, and particularly for those suffering from mental health and drug and alcohol related issues. I'm also strongly in favor of diversionary programs, particularly those who do not force people to plead guilty to felony charges. I'd like to expand treatment options and take a more personalized approach. And I really like to move away from sending litigants to treatment providers that prioritize profit over long-term and meaningful recovery. Probation and house arrest are also options that I would use in lieu of jail because I truly believe that probation can be a mechanism to connect litigants to community services that can reduce recidivism. Thank you.